guys, welcome to another episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Today I have a very special guest, my youngest daughter, Joanna Nieves. Say hi to everyone, Joanna. Can you tell everybody what we're going to be making today?
Banana popsicles.
That's right. We're going to be making banana popsicles dipped in chocolate with different toppings. This is a very simple recipe. You can involve your children. I know they're going to have fun making this recipe. So if you want to see how it's done, stay tuned. The ingredients that you will need for this recipe are bananas, milk chocolate chips, coconut oil or any oil that you prefer, and toppings of your choice. You're also going to need popsicle sticks. So I have already prepared these bananas with the sticks since 1 o'clock, so they've been in the freezer for about 3 hours. Now I'm going to show you how I put them together, and Joanna Lise is going to help me, right, Joanna? Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to put these to the side. Okay. Now we're going to peel the banana. You let me know if you peel the banana from the top or the bottom. Okay, so let's put this here to the side. You're going to cut off the ends, the other end, and then cut it in half. Okay, you ready, Joanna? You're going to put the give me one popsicle stick. I'm going to do one, okay? And you're going to do one, yes. And we're going to put it right in the middle. Should be just like this. Okay, you want to do the other one?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Go right inside, in the middle. Go right here. Like that. Good girl. This is how they should look. Now I'm going to show you how to melt the chocolate. Okay guys, so there's two different ways to melt this chocolate. You could either melt it in the microwave, put it for 30 seconds and mix it and put it again for another 30 seconds until it's well incorporated and well mixed. Or you could do it this way, which is called a double boiler. You just use a saucepan with some water. Don't fill it up all the way. Just place the bowl and then start mixing. I'm gonna add a little bit of the coconut oil into this, not too much. Maybe like a teaspoon. And this won't change the flavor of the chocolate. So we're just gonna keep mixing until everything is well combined. Okay, so this is how it should look. Wanted to let you guys know that this took me about 10 minutes. The chocolate did start to clump up on me, so I added another 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil, and it helped smooth it out. So I let the chocolate cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. This should be the consistency of it, and now we're gonna put them together. Right, Joanna? Let's cover it all up.
I like chocolate.
I know you love chocolate. Okay, so what topping do you want? We're going to let it drain a little bit.
I want the sprinkles.
You want the sprinkles? Hold on. Okay, so you want the sprinkles? Yes. Okay. Put them like that. Ooh, my goodness.
And put lemonade.
Hold on, let me get
I want that. The lemonade. The lemonade one too.
Okay, we gotta work quickly, okay? Because the bananas are frozen. So the chocolate is starting to get hardened quick. So we gotta work on this quick.
Chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
My turn.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Dip it in.
Yeah.
I dip in it.
Okay, hold on.
Can we read the top? Banana, 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 banana. Banana, banana, banana.
I know you're excited.
Banana, banana, banana.
Okay. do this one. Here, you want to help me?
No, I don't want to put that one.
We're going to do the other one. We have to do different kinds.
I want to do that one.
Okay, we will. We will, okay?
Help you put it in.
Yeah, help Mama. Good girl. You're such a good girl, Joanna.
Hey, it's choking on me.
You can lick it. Yummy.
Mommy, the last pass here.
Okay, put a little bit here for me. There we go.
It's finished.
Okay.
I'm going to eat the chocolate to lick it.
Okay.
I'm going to put it in.
Okay.
I'm going to try.
Okay. Hold on, Joanna.
Don't tell nobody.
Don't tell nobody? No. You're not going to share with your brother and sister? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Look at that.
Mommy, why you dip that one? Mom, you already dipped that one.
So this is the final result. This is how they came out. Joanna Alice cannot wait to try it. Are you ready, Joanna? Which one you gonna pick? Oh, I knew you was gonna pick that one. Go ahead, grab it. Cheers. Go like this. Cheers. Let's try one.
Hey, there's something here.
Yeah, go ahead. Try it.
This is so good, Mommy.
So delicious.
It's so good.
You like it? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to comment down below, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
This has been an episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Now you can get back to whatever it is you were doing. She's done.
Make sure you subscribe.
You better like, share,
Hit that notification bell.
And comment down below.